Guess what? मेरे एक व्यूअर ने हमें एक मैसेज भेजा आज saying chef I love your show but I love the brain twisters also. So I'm gonna send you a very nice quick challenge. You have to chop something with your non-dominant hand. वो तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. But before that, I'm gonna introduce the recipe super quickly. Today we're doing cabbage and spring onion cakes. So our superfood ingredient today is spring onion. So guys, I'm gonna start off with my recipe, but before that, I'll have to do that challenge also. I'm gonna use my left hand to chop the spring onion. That's not bad, man. I almost made it. It's easy. देखा? वैसे भी it's almost end of the day. तो एक healthy, creative recipe से ज़्यादा rewarding क्या हो सकता है? So we're gonna chop the spring onions really fine. They're really good source of phytochemicals, especially compounds of flavonoids. The anthocyanin in them really boosts your immune system. And I'm gonna cook them super quickly with a little seasoning. I'm gonna mix it in mashed potatoes, make some really nice patties, and we're gonna chop some cabbage. For that, I'm gonna start off with some olive oil. The oil is piping hot. I'm gonna go in with my cabbage. Focus on the sizzle, huh? You really wanna hear that. If you don't get that sound, that means you're boiling the vegetables. You really want to hear that perfect sizzle that goes in the pan. For us chefs, this is like music to the ears. Just see how the color changes. It goes from white to really lovely, nice green. All fresh, pungent flavor. Salt and pepper now. This looks pretty done. Tiny bit of chili just to give that kick. And a little bit of raw garlic just to round off the dish completely because it's going to be served with nice sour cream and chives. It just balances the dish off very well. And we're pretty much done there. Some mashed potatoes in this nice one. Yeah. Now give it a good mix. And you want to adjust the final seasoning. So you could always use potato flour. That's absolutely fine. It's just going to make a nicer crust. You'll have a crispy bite to it. I'm just going to use maybe maximum half a spoon. This looks pretty done. It's nice. Maybe a touch of salt, pepper. Green Tabasco, it's a little sweet, little spicy. It's made with serrano chilies. Works really well. I'm gonna make patties quickly. So you just maybe wanna take like a fistful, make a nice round. Just to finish that off, put that on the tray here. Gas on. Medium to low heat. Just go in with a little oil. Pretty hot now. I'll just drop that in. Hear that sizzle. Look at that. Looks so nice and pretty. Check that color out. Just takes burn so beautifully. So till the time this is cooking, I'm gonna crack on with my chives and make sure all the chives are exactly the same size. Adding butter. This looks pretty done. Now come and have a closer look. It's still got a nice crispy texture. Guys, the most important rule, quite basic, lemon on and gas off. I'm gonna start to plate up. Gonna go a little bit of cream cheese. As just the final little touch. Yeah, some beautiful chives. Spring onion chives, same family. Rounds up the flavor perfectly well. It just sits together. Now this is the proper plate for your perfect lunch. Wasn't that a delicious recipe? Why don't we have a quick look at the recap and come back for more?
Chop the spring onion and cabbage. Take a pan, add olive oil, cabbage and spring onion to it. Season with salt and black pepper. Add chili flakes, chop garlic and saute it. Put the mixture in a bowl. Add mashed potato, potato flour, green Tabasco and give it a good mix. Now make patties of this mixture. Take a pan, add olive oil, put the patties and let it fry. Add some butter to the patties. Squeeze half lemon juice and turn off the flame. Serve the patties on a plate with cream cheese and garnish with chopped chives. Your spring onion and cabbage cake is ready.
Wasn't that a brain-tastic episode? Please do try all the recipes at home and do let me know how they turn out to be. I cannot wait to hear from you. Till then, eat well, stay fit and let your brain chill.